Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
There are three major contentious issues that Goans are very unhappy about. The way the huge railway track is being built to transport coal to a power plant, and the way the roads are being widened, not taking into consideration local sensitivities, and the way the rivers have been occupied, rights on rivers, and how the hinterland of the port area is going to be expanded, thereby giving the power to determine the extent of the port land to the port trust, without again taking into consideration the sensitivities involved locally, either with the villages and the panchayats and the local population. I think this is a huge disrespect to the local population. These were the burning issues that the Congress President and Kamatji have been highlighting, and all the workers also have been echoing. And I hope that the public will be sensitized adequately about these issues which will affect their lives. And I hope that this sensitivity to these issues would be noted by the central government, and they will rescind the moves on those things.
मोदी सरकार देशाची मालमत्ता लोकांक विश्वासान घेनासतनाच खंय विकूंक लागला.
हे जे एसेट्स इतले क्रिएट जाल्ले आसा, whether it is a strategic importance from defense point of view or whether it is important from the social point of view. Now today when the railways, everything will go in the private hands, it will no more will remain affordable to the common man. So this is another fear. Slowly it will go. So the Congress party always thought of the last person. Always that कशे benefits जातले. Any policies, how it will affect the last person in this country or in the society. So Congress party always thought of that. And that is why Rahul ji is absolutely right. The people have not contributed, not built something. They have no right to sell something that they have not built. This, all resources belongs to the hardworking, dedicated people of this country. And BJP and Narendra Modi has no right, whatever way, to use them.
See, public sector assets have been built over a number of years, spending public money. It belongs to the people of India. It cannot be just handed over to a private party. And you must understand the stakeholders, which is the public, the trade unions, the employees, nobody has been involved in the dialogue. They just took a unilateral decision. And you must understand, only in public sector we can implement reservations also, which we cannot implement once it is privatized. So these are the implications that are there, which they haven't applied a thought nor have they indulged in a dialogue.
Bureau Report, Prudent.